Hey YouTube people, welcome back to our channel The Crazy Coder. In this video we're going to talk about data types. Data types are nothing but which we assign it to the variable so that we can store that particular type of data. Data types in C language are many, but we are going to discuss the main data types which we would be using most in our programs. In that, first would be int data type. In the previous video we have used int data type. In this data type, in the variable we can store one single type of data, which is int, which can be 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever, but not the decimal values. If you try to store decimal value in it, say 3.7, the compiler would store only 3 excluding the decimal value. Why? It's int data type. A variable with int can store only pure whole numbers, not the decimal value. So if you want to store the decimal data, then you have to use the data type float. This data type supports decimal places up to 6 decimal places by default. Say if I need to create a variable of type float, then what will I do? I'll just write float x. This would be its syntax. And after declaring the variable, now I have to initialize it with a value. So I can initialize any data, but up to only 6 decimal places. A float variable takes 4 bytes of storage in our memory, and int variable takes 2 bytes. If we try to print this variable, for printing integer variable, we used printf %d and followed by the variable name. Here for float variable, we will be using same printf, but in integer variable we used %d. For float variable we would be using %f, and we'll pass the variable. In the screen we would be getting a value of 3.78 followed by 4 zeros. This is because compiler would definitely print up till 6 decimal places. If we do some calculation, if the output comes around 4 decimal places, it would also print 2 decimal places after the 4. If in some cases if we divide it and the output comes more than 6 decimal places, then also it would print up till 6 decimal places only, excluding after that. So 6 decimal float has only till 6 decimal places. So this is all about int and float. Now we have char data type. In this data type we can store characters such as small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, from 0 to 9, hash, star, divide. All these symbols we can store inside a variable. These are known as characters. Small a is different from the capital A in C language because it is a case sensitive language. And note that I have written here 0 to 9. That means these are symbols. These are like phones. I have not written 10, 12, 13, 123 or something, because if I write 123 for character variable, these are 3 different character datas. So in char data type we can store only any one, either of these 3 characters. So how we write it in the syntax? Char x. Now I have declared a variable of name x and of type char. Now if I need to initialize any value, then I'll be putting in single quotes, inside the single quotes. Character data is represented by single quotes. For printing the character variable we would be using printf %c, and we'll pass the variable over here. So in the output screen we would be getting A. If I need to store any integer variable, type of character data inside the variable, then I would be using y is equals to 2. Same for printing, we have to use printf. So what is the difference between this variable, this data and this data? It is that we can do mathematical operations on these data because it is a int data type, and we cannot do mathematical operations on this data because this is a character data. It's just a symbol. So these are the three main data types which we'll be using mostly in our C programming language. So if you have any doubts or questions, you can post it in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.